With the back cut to size and dry fit into place, everything's looking really good. We want to flip up the project because we want to check the grain pattern of what you see from the front to see if we like that grain pattern or if we want to rotate the back 180 degrees. If I take a look at the grain pattern, I have kind of a V shape. I'm going to take my back and flip it upside down and see if I like that any better. And I think I like this just a little better, so we will install the back with the grain in this orientation. We will be applying a little bit of glue and then installing 5/8 inch brad nails to hold this in place. This should ensure a good strong bond. We want to use a minimal amount of glue so we have virtually nothing to clean up on the inside of the project. A very thin bead should be sufficient. We can then add our back, making sure that it gets seated fully and double checking that the good side is facing in towards the inside of the project and the bad side is facing towards the back of the project. And we want to angle the brad nails slightly towards the side of our project rather than towards the inside of our project. And then we want to flip it over and look to see if there's any glue that needs cleaned up. And this is looking really good. I do not see any glue that needs cleaned up. And our project looks really nice now that we've got the back on.